Salamat na sangre at sa mga sangre faces kong mga bebis mula sa Learsar Tour event at for the coordinations of Telos Florals. How are you girls? And big shoutout nga pala sa Twinnie ko, lalo na sa mga makukulit naming teammates and brothers, Kuya Art and Sir Marcus and Sir Renz. And also to my Manny Daisy Labosada, thank you so much sa pag-asikaso ng mga papel ko. Don't chat my old account, guys. It's a hack account. I just tag myself because I miss everything about events and attachments. I simply want to update you that it was hacked 10 years ago. Happy birthday, Sir Jeffrey Bautista, and regards to Cadence Collection and Ma'am Jeneline Culiar Pineda. At sa'yo, Tito and Ams.